Booker. Oh, you're so pretty. You sit just like a gentleman.
He almost fell over.
Oh, good boy, Booker.
If I did not have as many as I do, I would totally take Snarf. And just let her freaking run around my house.
You don't need more untouchables, though.
She was just letting me pet
Is
her.
he, like, playing with himself?
Or just attempting to clean himself with that thing on.
Or just being a total perv?
It's possible.
He's so funny, his feet are actually up in the air.
Yeah, and Snarf let me pet her head and her face, unlike Debbie, who...
Booker, hey Grace, no licking yet.